Hey everyone, I appreciate you stopping in. I have this box here from Boxy Charm, but this is really from Ipsy. I did a little shop for a few things. So it came packaged like this. I do have my phone so I can tell you what I paid for these items. Now where? I'm going to save that one for last, I think. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to share with you is from One Size, and this is Patrick Star, and this is the Brow Kiki Tinted Nourishing Brow Gel. Now, I am a huge fan, and I did get it in 01 Blonde. I have the brow, the regular brow pencil. Love it, and that's all I use. Well, then I saw this. I love a brow gel. I use the pencil with just a little bit of gel, so I figured let me try this. I'm curious as to what this wand looks like. Okay, so this is nice packaging, light brown. Not light brown, blonde, and this is the doe foot. Attractive packaging. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. I could show you. And here it is. Oops. And this is what the pencil looks like, the Brow Kiki pencil. Let me open it up. And this is also blonde. This is a backup. I have it in my bathroom because it is in use. I don't know if it will come out yet. So this is what the pencil looks like. So I am so excited to try. I didn't know that there was even a brow gel. So I am super excited to try that. That was $14. And I have so much from this brand, but I don't have this. This is from Lawless. And this is the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara. This was $15. And this is in Nightlife is the shade. Obviously, it's probably black, which is fine. I generally wear black mascara, but oh, look at the packaging. So similar to all their products. Obviously, this is full size. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, that's a big, here, let's get some of that off the end there. It's like a big wand. It feels like it's flexible. Oh, I'm excited to try that. I will try this tomorrow morning. I'll be out early. I have things to do for family. So I will try that. And I will use the brow gel along with the brow pencil. So the One Size by Patrick Star, the Brow Kiki brow gel was $14, and the Lawless mascara was $15. And the star of the show is right here. If I can get rid of that. It's right here in this little package. This is Sculpting and Contour Palette, and this is from Scott Barnes, favorite makeup artist. So this is his contour palette. This is what I was supposed to get when I had way back the fiasco with Ipsy X, when they totally switched all my products. And that was the only reason I got that X, because I generally don't get that product. And I was going to get this, and I was so happy. And then they switched all my products around, and I didn't get it. And I was so angry and annoyed. So thank you, Tina, for letting me know that it was in the Ipsy shop. So I went right in and purchased it, and this was $25. And that's what this looks like. Exactly what I wanted. I love when everything is all, and there is a nice mirror, and this is magnetic, the way it opens, like this right here, like a little bougie. I'm not going to put my finger in this because I'm going to save this and use it for the first time for a special day. But I'm so excited. Chiseled, sculpt, frame, carve, shade, diced, sliced, and snatched. And snatched looks like it's a little bit of like olivey brown. Let me just re-show you that. Hold this up. This one right here sort of has like a little bit of an olive undertone or like a gray cast. I'm really not sure, but I love the browns and all the other shades to be able to contour. And obviously I'll use that for a little bit of bronzer. But I've wanted this for so long and was going to buy it on Scott Barnes. But after I paid you know, the price of the Xbox and didn't get it, I was like, I'm not spending another $60. This is worth $58. I paid $25. And if I didn't say thank you, Tina B, she texted me on, or texted me, DM'd me on Instagram and told me it was in the shop. And I ran right in and bought it. And of course, had to pick these two up when I saw them. I'm like, what? And I'm like, I don't have this. I have a lot of their other products. So I was happy to buy that. And they are the items that I got. Let me just verify that that was $25 because I don't want to. Yes, $25. So $25, $15, and $14. Not cheap, but I got things that I wanted. And, you know, this right here was worth it. I'm interested. Everything else has been wonderful. So why would that not be wonderful? Instant volume, longer looking lashes, filled in and filled out lashes. Huh. I'm excited for that, but I'm probably the most excited for the contour palette. And you can probably use that for a little bit of bronzer, depending on the shade that you like. Sometimes I use bronzer or some of them shades as my crease shade, and then just put a lighter shade on my lid, mascara, and I'm done. Simple, you know, easy. I have eye makeup on. A lot of times when I'm filming my videos, it's either early in the morning or it's late at night. And like today, I was in most of the day. It's been rainy and cold here so many days. Today is freezing, hence I have the sweater on. But I will wear some of these tomorrow because, like I said, I'll be up and out of my house by maybe before 6 a.m. and then I'll be gone most of the morning. And so I will try some of these out and see what I think, because I'll have them on most of the day then and be able to tell you what I think about them. I know I'm going to love them. I know the Scott Barnes palette I'm going to love without a doubt. And the other two products, why wouldn't I love them? I love One Size as it is, and Lawless is phenomenal. So if you're interested in any of them, they could still be in the shop for Ipsy. You know, check it out. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.